Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will be learning how we can digitize a geological map within the global mapper. We have already completed the digitization of geological map within the ArcGIS Pro. You can check out the digitization of geological map within the ArcGIS Pro. I've already uploaded these video on my YouTube channel Geosoft Pro. You can see here, this is the part 1 of geological map digitization tutorial. This is part 2, part 3 and part 4. I have completed the digitization of geological map in 4 videos. And you can also search a lot of other videos like georeferencing, how to install global mapper, and also you can check out the videos on Google Earth. So for now we will start digitization within the global mapper. Let me open the global mapper. Open your data files from here. So I will go to, I will locate my folder mapping, and this is the geological map that I have digitized within the ArcGIS. Now I will digitize it in the global mapper. Load it. You can georefer this map if you have this map in the PNG format. You can georefer it, and the videos or the video are available on my YouTube channel. I also put the link down in the description of this video. So to digitize this geological map, first study your map, that what features and formations are available or within your map. Like you can see here, the geological formation or Mara formation, extrusive mud volcanoes, and recent subrecent deposit, conglomerates, Parkini formation, Henglage, and also the strike slip and different structures like syncline and anticline and conformity. So to digitize all these formation and structures, first you have to activate the digitizer tool. This is the digitizer tool, or you can press Alt plus D on your keyboard. So I will select the digitizer tool. Now to select the digitizer tool, now you can select the digitization, start the digitization. You can create point or texture feature from through this tool, and this is to create a line feature. This is to create a line area trace mode. How we can use it, I will show you. And this is for the polygon, rectangle and circle. Okay, now to create a point, how you can create a point, select this tool. Now I will place point like this, and you can name this point in feature type. You can select the feature type as well, and also you can feature layer. You can create a feature layer for this, but I will not add this point here. No, cancel it. Yes. Now select this line, and you can digitize it like this, and you can also name it and save it then, but I will cancel it for now. How you can use this trace tool, you can drag this like just like a pencil, like this. This is a freehand tool, and this is for the polygon like this, but I will cancel for it for now. And this is the triangle, rectangle, sorry, and the circle tool like this. I will cancel it for now. Now to digitize this geological map, I will select the create area feature tool. I will zoom in here. Let me see first this is Henglage formation. I will digitize this one for now. So start the digitization from here. select this tool again, and now start the digitization. Once you finish the polygon, then right click. Now this pan will appear. Here you can name the formation hinglage formation, like this. And here you can select the feature type. If your hinglage formation, I have already added this hinglage formation here, but you can also create new feature type like this. I will select hinglage formation, and you can also select the fill pattern. I will select the solid fill, and I also can select the color for this. Now let me select the green color for it. OK. Now click OK again, and now select the or create a new feature layer. Feature layer just like that you are creating within the ArcGIS or ArcGIS Pro or desktop. You are like shape file. So I will make a formation file or layer formation. All of the different formation like hinglage, mud volcanoes, recent deposit will be adding into this formation layer. Okay. Now you can also change the color from here, the color of this formation from here. Click on specify style to use when blending feature. From here you can select the solid fill, or you can select different color patterns, salt patterns, sand patterns, vertical heights. On a lot of patterns are available here. You can select it from there, and you can also change the border. I will select solid, and let me select the black one. Okay. Now click OK, and again OK. So you can see here the formation layer has been created, and we have only one feature in that. And what is the name of this feature? It is actually the hinglage formation. You can see the hinglage formation here, and let me right click on it and go edit the attributes. So you can see here the hinglage formation, the enclosed area. This is the feature is hinglage formation, and the feature layer name is hinglage, and the creation, it's the creation or modification time. Okay. Now let me create another feature here. I will create this one. Now again let me start the digitization. Now right click and name this formation. This is Perkini formation. And now click also create a new type. and name it is Parkini Formation. Select the color for it. I will select the blue color. Now click OK, and again where it says the description that you have entered for this tab is already in another tab. You must be selected for description. Okay, so I think I have already Parkini formation here. I have added already it, so let me search it. Yes, I have already. This is Parkini formation, so I will select it from here, and this is the color. You can also change the color from specify the style, and from here you can change the color. Let me select the blue color for it. Okay, now click OK, and again and this is the feature layer that we have just created the formation. Now click OK. It will be saved in this formation. Now you can see that we have two features. There are available within the within the formation layer. So like this you can create or digitize all of the formation layers. Okay, once you have completed all of the formation, all of the polygon, then digitize all of the structure that are available within your